Natalia Bonner. Welcome back. All right, I'm having a lot of fun doing a bit of machine quilting and playing around today with my Sway Machine Quilting Rulers. So what I'm working on here is actually the class sample for my new class, the 9 Patch Along 5.0. When I launch my new classes, I like to share a live portion where I actually get to quilt along with you. It's so much fun. It's like I actually get to participate in the class. So for this version, when I was quilting, getting ready for the class, I thought, why not just play around with all my machine quilting rulers and just have fun, you know? That's my favorite part of machine quilting, is just playing and having a lot of fun. So today I'm going to be using the Sway 3, the Sway 4, and also my Sway 5 machine quilting ruler, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use those machine quilting rulers and quilt some awesome curves. So hop over here to my Gamble 22-inch machine. I'm going to be stitching in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch, and I do have a ruler foot here on my machine as well as that large ruler base plate. So let's get quilting. I have designed the Sway Machine Quilting Rulers so that you can quilt perfect curves without any markings. Here on the Sway 3 Machine Quilting Ruler, you can see there is an X as well as a T marked through the circular end of the ruler. So to quilt a perfect 3-inch curve, I'm going to line up these marked lines on the ruler so that they intersect right on the corner of the block. I'll line up those marked lines, apply gentle pressure to the ruler as well as to the machine. I'll engage the machine and stitch along that curve. Now that I have that perfect 3-inch curve quilted, now I'm going to switch to the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler. This ruler also has those same lines indicated, as well as this dashed line. Now we're going to start using that dashed line. So I'm going to stitch over a 1/2 inch because I know I'm stitching a curve now that is a 1/2 inch larger. So the 3-inch up to the 4-inch. I'll stitch over to the point where I can line up those marked lines on the ruler right on top of that ditch. Use gentle pressure, engage my machine, and glide along that side of the ruler. Now I can also line up that dashed line on the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler right on top of that quilting that I did with the Sway 3, just as another reference point to keep my stitching as close to perfect as I can. So now I have a perfect 3-inch curve, a perfect 4-inch curve. Let's bring over the Sway 5 machine quilting ruler, which also has that T and the X marked through the circle end of the ruler. I'm going to travel up my ditch a 1/2 inch so I can line up the markings on the ruler as well as that dashed line on top of my stitching. Engage the machine, apply gentle pressure, and glide along the side of the ruler. Now I'll repeat that same process on all 4 corners of this block. I hope you found a little bit of inspiration from that fun quilt blog. I love using the Sway Machine Quilting Rulers. You can pick up the Sway Machine Quilting Rulers on our website, peaceandquilt.com. You can also enroll in my free machine quilting class, the 9 Patch Along 5.0, over on our website. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back soon with another machine quilting video.